Machine learning plays a significant role in digital marketing, revolutionizing the way businesses understand and engage with their customers. Customer segmentation. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of customer data to identify patterns and segment customers based on their demographics, behavior, preferences, and purchase history. This enables marketers to create personalized campaigns and target specific customer segments effectively. Predictive analytics. By leveraging machine learning, digital marketers can predict customer behavior, such as purchase likelihood, churn probability, or lifetime value. These predictive models help optimize marketing strategies, allocate resources efficiently, and personalize messaging and offers. Recommendation systems. Machine learning algorithms power recommendation engines that suggest relevant products, services, or content to users based on their browsing or purchase history, as well as similarities to other customers. This enhances user experience, increases engagement, and drives conversions. Content optimization. Machine learning algorithms can analyze and optimize content for digital marketing campaigns. They can determine the best headlines, images, layouts, and calls to action to maximize engagement and conversion rates. A/B testing and multivariate testing are common techniques employed to evaluate and improve content performance. Natural language processing. NLP techniques enable marketers to understand and analyze large volumes of text-based data, such as social media posts, reviews, and customer feedback. Sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and text classification help gauge customer sentiment, identify trends, and respond to customer needs promptly. Chatbots and customer support. Chatbots powered by machine learning provide automated customer support, answering frequently asked questions, resolving basic issues, and guiding users through their purchasing journey. Natural language understanding (NLU) allows chatbots to interpret user queries accurately and provide relevant responses. Overall, machine learning enhances the effectiveness and efficiency of digital marketing efforts, enabling businesses to deliver more personalized experiences, optimize campaigns, and improve customer satisfaction and ROI.